Good morning, everyone. Justin here again, and I'd like to share with you another helmet that I did. This one a few years ago for my son, with a Call of Duty theme, with a skull. So after sanding off the surface of the entire helmet with 180 grit sandpaper, I went ahead and blocked out the skull with a large Posca paint marker. And you can see here on the side I did just a random cloud-like design. And then to even out the white and to fade out the edges a little bit, I used white acrylic airbrush paint. And you can also see how I did some spatter work. Probably used a toothbrush with acrylic paint. And here I'm just touching up some of the details with a finer Posca paint, putting in some outlines on the clouds, on the skull, putting in the cracks, just some finer details. So once I was happy with everything, I went ahead and masked off the inside of the helmet, especially covering the foam, and sprayed 4 or 5 coats of Rust-Oleum clear enamel. And as you can see, after 5 years or so of winter use, the paint, the clear coat, has held up really well with hardly any scratches or chipping. And we can't forget our little detail back there with the little pony. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you so, please like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.